My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another video, man. As y'all can see, POV style. You know what I'm saying? Hands free. I always do this every time the video starts. But like I said in the beginning of my video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you are new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, man, I'm finna get straight into it. Y'all see I got the screen up, you know what I'm saying? I'm in my custom mode sport, you know what I'm saying? Sport transmission, whatever. I'm gonna have the performance pages up this time, so I guess again, you know what I'm saying? Be some kind of movement going on right here, something for y'all to look at. But today, as y'all can tell by the title, man, I'm gonna be doing a little road racing. Not like really racing, but I'm gonna be showing y'all, like, you know what I'm saying, little, just for people that don't know, you know what I'm saying, how to road race or what's the best gears for the best pulls of a scat, you know what I'm saying, or the best speeds, whatever you want to call it, you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna get straight into it like that. It's a little hot outside, I ain't gonna lie. As always, y'all know that. Y'all know how it be, man. It be a little hot. But we're finna get straight into it though, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new on the road to 15K. Get your boy to 15K the quick way. Y'all know we finna, I'm saying, go to Mexico with it. They go to scat with red rims. Destroyer gray, that's crazy. I never seen that. Hopefully y'all can, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we straight. Dang, but some dirt got in my eye. We ain't even got started yet. Damn, trying to take me out. Trying to take me out of there already. Damn, that just made me mad, I ain't gonna lie. And in my good eye. Let me still up just a little bit. I feel like I'm a little slouched. All right. But yeah, man, I'm finna just show y'all a little technique, you know what I'm saying? Probably do some hard pulls. Oh, all that dirt. Goodness gracious. I had to turn my head that time. Man. Well, yeah, man. Finna show y'all boys a little something. Mostly how I feel. I'm gonna roll this up. I'm gonna do first gear. You know what I'm saying? The first gear pull, second gear pull, third gear pull. You know what I'm saying? Scat packs are best pulls are lower, you know what I'm saying, lower speeds. That's your best power, your best performance, your best torque, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, I'm letting the wolf stop, you know what I'm saying? The best rolls for scats, I tell everybody, everybody should know this is 40 rolls. You know what I'm saying? 40 to 45, anywhere in that area. You know what I'm saying? Maybe even 50. But we're gonna do our little first one right here, man. We're gonna do a 40. I'm gonna honk it and everything. By the way, I'm not flooring it, my bad. I'm not gonna floor it for real anyway. I'm not trying to spin my tires and all that. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all in previous videos, my left tire, you know what I'm saying, I need another tire. So I ain't trying to, you know, do too much. But I'm gonna get y'all the gist of it. And obviously we can just hear this amazing sound. Hopefully the wind ain't too bad, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully the wind not too bad, man. And I ain't got that much gas in the car either, so the video ain't gonna be that long. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying, little 40 roll, you know what I'm saying, second gear 40 roll, you feel me? You can either shift it yourself or, you know, let the car do it for you. I'm gonna put the pedal down a little harder this time. not flooring it though, but you know, that was a little harder, you know what I'm saying? Just get y'all the gist. But that torque, you're gonna get the best torque in, you know what I'm saying, second gear for sure. I know some people do, I don't see how people do 60 rolls, you know what I'm saying, in scats. I don't see how. That downshift is crazy. I'm gonna try 55. One thing I can say about scats, bro, the torque is always gonna be the. Watch this. I'm in 5th gear. The torque always there. Like, it's always there. It don't matter what you're doing, bro. It's always there. But I'm gonna give y'all the 1st gear. You know what I'm saying? Hard pulls. Basically, I'm just doing hard pulls and just showing y'all. You know what I'm saying? The outcome. But if y'all get the video to 100 likes, I actually do some, you know what I'm saying, I'll do this again, but with somebody, you know, beside me, you know what I'm saying? And we'll really see how it works, you know what I'm saying? So, we're gonna see. Let me get down to the other end and see what's down the other end first. But roll racing, I mean, scats are pretty fun. I ain't gonna lie, these cars, like when it comes to like highway, like riding, bro, they pretty, you know, they there for sure. Like I done roll with Hellcats and all that, like tracks, and even though of course they be in front of me, but they right there, like they not getting weight. If that makes sense. They not getting weight, you know what I'm saying? Like they ain't gonna get too far, especially when we getting up in the speed. You know what I'm saying? That top end, they ain't getting too far. They pulling. But I ain't gonna lose them, you know what I'm saying? They right there. Well, yeah, it road. This is a long road, but Mexico, boy. Mexico be having the longest roads ever. Turn around, but I should probably go left. Boy, it got hot in here quick, boy. You can ride the windows down and all that. You know that heat bad. Now you know the heat be bad, boy. Oh, why you ain't turn that on earlier? Supposed to turn that blinkers on when they get to the stop sign. I'm gonna do a 1st gear pull. Wasn't flooring it, but I did get swirly, you know what I'm saying? I did get swirly, but that still wasn't flooring it, you know what I'm saying? But y'all, I'm just giving y'all a little, you know what I'm saying, the gist of what it might be like. That down, bro, that 5th to 4th downshift is my favorite downshift, bro, in high speed. Cause like, it's just nothing don't beat it, bro, like, just watch. Like, it ain't too aggressive. And it ain't not enough aggressive, you know what I'm saying? It's just perfect, like. That junk is crazy, man. That junk is crazy. But yeah, like with road racing, I know everybody got their own little, you know what I'm saying? Their own little taste and flavor. I'm just like really doing pulls for y'all at different speeds and gears just to give y'all like a little gist of what it'll be like. But obviously, like I said, for scats, the stronger gears and the better pulls you're gonna get is in lower speeds, you know what I'm saying? Lower speed, like in 30 rolls, 40 rolls, maybe even 50 rolls, you know what I'm saying? I tried 50, you feel me? But 60 rolls, I ain't gonna do it. I think, didn't I do a 60 roll already? Or I did a 50 roll? See, it's a fourth gear. They ain't gonna give you no torque with a fourth gear. Let's see what's going on, man. Look at Mexico, bro. All these trees. Well, yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Just giving y'all, boy, really just, you know what I'm saying, nice little two-hand POV. But little roll racing tips if you need any, you know what I'm saying? Them pops is crazy. Downshift is so nasty, bro. Like, I don't even know where I'm going. I don't even want to go that way. Cause that truck right there, I want to go back down that way. Turn around, every something, I just get a little bit hungry. Ooh, boy, how the hell, bone? I'm sweating. I ain't sweat all day tonight, just for y'all, man. And I got AC, but I just ain't no reason to have it on when you got the window, all the windows down. Unless you got a full tank of gas. All right, I'm gonna give y'all another first gear pull. I know y'all probably like those. Get in the straightway first. So I want a 25 or a 30? I'm gonna give y'all 25. Yeah, man. Like I said, it be spinning a little bit. I think I upshifted a little too early. I don't be wanting to spin too long. Cause you can let the car shift itself, but sometimes, bro, when that mother red line, it pauses and like it stopped that power for a split second. That little split second can have you to lose the race. You know what I'm saying? Just that little pause when you could have did it yourself and saved you a second. You know what I'm saying? With that stuff, bro, every second count, boy. Every second count, boy. Every last one of them. If you didn't know, now you know, boy. But yeah. If you don't know, now you know, nigga. It's from very well who you are. Don't you hold it down. Reach for the stars. And it better move. What does that baby? You're not the only one. I hear you. Super Nintendo player Genesis. Hey, boy, that nigga Big used to be sliding, boy. That but Big used to be slide, man. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Some of y'all too young for that, man. Y'all young bucks don't know nothing about that Biggie smile, man. So yeah, man. That could probably be a wrap, though. I just want to show y'all something real smooth, real quick, like, you know what I'm saying? Something slight, man. Show y'all boy about that road race and give y'all a 2-hand POV. I see people say they were rocking with, you know what I'm saying, the hands-free POV. So, hey, I'm giving y'all the hands-free POV, man. Let me know, you know what I'm saying? Get the video to 100 likes if y'all want to see me do this again, but with somebody else on the beside me. Hopefully, I don't know if I'll find somebody to do that or not, but we'll see what's going on if I can. But you know what I'm saying? 100 likes, man, to get more content like this. More 2-hand POV. The 2-hand POV is a little bit more work than just holding the camera, you know what I'm saying, driving with one hand. But y'all just let me know, man. I'm trying to get there. We're gonna get that 15K the quick way. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know the risk. But like I say on the end of my video, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, Cari crew. The sky's the limit, you can touch it. I want to do a POV with the windows up the whole time. I don't know if y'all like that though. You still can hear the car though, but. You know what I'm saying? You still gonna hear it. But anyway, man. Like I was saying, man, you know, sky's the limit, you can touch it. Chase your dreams, don't quit, stay consistent if you really want to do it. Find out what you want to do, stick to it. You know what I'm saying? And don't what's the word? Don't get discouraged by people's criticism. You know what I'm saying? It's all in the works. You learning. You ain't gonna be fine with it the first time you do it. You know what I'm saying? Or the second or the third. Take time, man. Take patience and take creativity. You know what I'm saying? To do this. So make sure y'all remember that. But like I also say for all my religious folks, keep God first, keep him in the mix, man. Stay prayed up. You know what I'm saying? Keep that faith. You feel me? Stay down, stay humble, stay true. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, like I also said at the end of my video, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.